Myth: group exercise classes are only for beginners.
Is it true that group exercise classes are just for beginners? Many people believe this, but the reality is much more nuanced. Group fitness classes can be adapted to suit all experience levels, from newcomers to seasoned athletes. Let's explore why these classes offer benefits well beyond the beginner stage.
Variety and challenge for all levels.
Group exercise classes provide a diverse range of workouts. Classes often offer modifications, letting participants choose harder or simpler versions of each movement. Instructors encourage everyone to find their individual challenge, so both beginners and advanced participants can get a workout tailored to their needs.
Expert coaching and motivation.
Trained instructors lead group classes, offering expert guidance. They help advanced athletes refine technique and encourage beginners to master the basics. The supportive group environment keeps motivation high, pushing everyone to perform at their best, regardless of experience level.
Building community and accountability.
Group fitness creates a sense of belonging and accountability. Whether you're new or experienced, working out with others can improve consistency and enjoyment. Advanced participants often find inspiration and friendly competition, while beginners benefit from encouragement and camaraderie.
Group classes for advanced athletes.
Many group classes specifically target advanced fitness. Think high-intensity interval training, advanced cycling, or power yoga. These sessions can challenge even the fittest participants with complex routines, heavier weights, or athletic.
The bottom line: classes for everyone.
Exercise classes are not just for beginners, they're for everyone. With adaptable workouts, skilled instructors, and supportive communities, these classes can help you reach your fitness goals, whether you're starting out or pushing athletic limits.